join me on a little walkthrough of the Cape Nidhra Hotel. I think that's how you pronounce it. Reception is just behind me, just there. And we're just going to walk through and have a little look round. It's not a room tour, it's just an overview of the grounds. Now, this is the hotel itself. And we'll take a walk to the pool area, have a look around the bar and see what's there. They do have rooms here with their own private access pool, which I can just see now. Oh, very nice. Everything here is quite flat, as you can see, so anybody with any mobility issues, this shouldn't be a problem. Huge canopy of trees here, so we've got loads of shade, so you're not melting in the heat of the sun. So this is a walkthrough straight from reception. We're just a few yards away from reception. I shoot all these videos in one take, and it just gives people an idea of the distances to travel from reception to beach to restaurants, etc. So you can get a true perspective of the accommodation that you're looking at. You do have buggies that run up and down here, so if you've got luggage or you're just feeling a little bit lazy, why not give them a shout and get a buggy to run you around. On the rocks, happy hour. Looks like you've got a nice big infinity pool there, overlooking the ocean. Ah, it's quite pretty. Beer o'clock. Yeah, very nice. Hello.
Hello, sir.
You got some quite private little seating areas over there as well. And this will take you down to the beach. Now, I've said this in previous videos. The beach here in Hua Hin, for me anyway, isn't the best. Thailand standards, I'd say it's a little bit subpar, but each their own. You've got plenty of areas here anyway, provided by the hotel for lounging around, chilling. Let's just get a look back here. Just want to get an idea of what you can get from this infinity pool. There we go. That is just lovely, isn't it? You can't go wrong there. And that's your view. Yeah. That's quite beautiful. Here we are. Bringing you down to the beach. Now, I was walking down here before and I think the tide is quite far in. Now we've got to get beach access. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the video short here. I'm not going to walk back up and view anywhere else. I'm going to leave it there because I'm going to have a stroll down on the beach. So if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It helps boost my channel. That'd be very kind of you. It's completely free to subscribe and it costs nothing to give the video a like. If you like this kind of content, please carry on watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, thank you for watching.